Well, I have a CD playing of loud noises, and they don't seem to mind at all. Of course, the best way to distract them is with food, so that's why we're doing this during a feeding session. And, of course, Azula's used to all this silliness and all the loud noises, so she doesn't react at all, which is even better for the puppies. Chainsaws. Which is even better for the puppies because then they see how calm and relaxed she is with the noises, so great little training opportunity. And sorry I took all the ribbons off. Hey guys, chainsaws are fun. Good puppies. Good girl, Azula. You're such a good mummy. Such a good example, Zuzu. Are you asleep? I think you might be asleep. You're a good girl. Yeah, the good puppies. And what do we have after the chainsaw? Oh yes, barking dogs. We already passed the cat and the wolves. Yeah, good dogs. Okay. We'll leave it up there for right now. It's a very, oh yeah, and little yappy dogs too. All sorts of barking dogs. Yeah, we'll leave it up there for right now because there are close to 50 sounds on that CD.